Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how to flash Buildroot operating system onto EMMC storage of Luckfox Pico Ultra W RV1106 Linux micro development board. So here is my Luckfox Pico Ultra W running the Buildroot operating system. Okay, now here is the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna. Okay, I want to connect my Luckfox Pico Ultra W board with the Wi-Fi. Then how we can connect if it is running the Buildroot operating system. Okay, so the scenario is I have the Luckfox Pico Ultra W running the Buildroot operating system and I want to connect this board with my Wi-Fi to access the internet. Then how I can connect using command line. So that thing we are going to cover in this video. Okay, so this is what we are going to cover: how to connect the Luckfox Pico Ultra W Linux micro development board with the Wi-Fi on the Buildroot operating system. So let me log into the Luckfox Pico Ultra W board using SSH. I'm going to use this command to log in. Okay, and enter. The password is Luckfox and we are inside the Luckfox Pico Ultra W. Now you can navigate to this documentation. I will provide this link in the description of this video. Okay, here you can see Buildroot connection Wi-Fi. Okay, so if you are running the Buildroot operating system and if you want to connect with the Wi-Fi in the Luckfox Pico Ultra W board, then here is the method. First of all, you have to open this file using nano. So I'm going to paste that command here, and here in this line you have to provide your SSID, or you can say Wi-Fi name. Okay, so my Wi-Fi SSID or Wi-Fi name is Capgemini_4G. Okay, Capgemini_4G, and the password I will provide here, MN704116. Okay, this is my password for the Wi-Fi. Now what I will do is I will press Ctrl X and then I will press Y to save this file. Okay, we have successfully saved this file as per the documentation. Now we will kill WPA supplicant services. Okay, first of all, so I'm going to copy this command to kill everything. I'll paste it here and everything is killed. Now we will load this file with our Wi-Fi SSID and password again. So you have to copy this command, okay, and then you have to paste it here and then you can hit enter. You can see successfully initialized WPS supplicant. Now we can check that our board is connected to Wi-Fi or not. So for that, ifconfig, you can use this command. Okay, and here you can see our USB connection is there with this IP address. Okay, but there is no Wi-Fi connection. So for that you can use this command. Okay, so I can copy this command, I can paste it here and I can hit enter. Okay, you can see 192.168.1.15 obtained from 192.168.1.1. So this is the IP address of my router, and Luckfox Pico Ultra W board got this IP address. Okay, 192.168.1.15. Now if I try to run ifconfig command, then here you can see on the USB networking, the IP address is 172.32.0.93 and the IP address for wireless network is the 192.168.1.15, which is just got obtained. So my board is connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, now I can ping the Google. So ping google.com and here you can see we are getting the ping. Okay, so this is how you can use this documentation to connect your Luckfox Pico Ultra W board running the Buildroot operating system to the Wi-Fi network. Okay, so first of all you have to use this command to edit the WPS supplicant file. Okay, so here you can see I have used this command to edit the file. Then after you can use this command to stop all the services for WPS supplicant. Then after you can reload this file with the new credential, okay, new Wi-Fi SSID and the password. And once everything is initialized, you can check for the Wi-Fi IP address. If you don't get any Wi-Fi IP address, then you can use this command to turn on the VLAN networking. Okay, and here you can see Once your WLAN 0 is up, you will get this IP address, and after that, if you run the ifconfig command, then here you will find the wireless IP address, okay, to access your Luckfox Pico Ultra W board wirelessly. Now, instead of using this IP address 172.32.0.93, I can use this IP address. Okay, so let me try. So SSH root at the rate 192.168.1.15. Let me confirm. Yeah, 1.15. We'll hit enter and we'll type yes. Okay, password and Luckfox. Okay, we are successfully logged in. Okay, so either I can log in via USB connectivity or either I can log in via Wi-Fi connectivity. Okay, so here is the Wi-Fi antenna. We are already connected with the Wi-Fi. So even if I disconnect from here, then also I'll be able to log in to this board via Wi-Fi. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear that how you can connect to the Wi-Fi if you are using Luckfox Pico Ultra W board with the Buildroot operating system. If you have any question or any doubt, then feel free to ask in the comment section, or you can also ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, or email. Okay, so let's meet in the future videos and we'll see some more videos in the future. Okay, till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.